Today is May 22nd. That would be Nico's 9-month birthday. He's sleepy, but his brother is playing games with him. And Nico's excited. And his brother is in the closet. Benny, come out. Come out, Ben. Someone's excited to see his brother. Ben, go back in the closet. Nico, what's going on? Okay, Ben, come out. Uh-oh, Nico, you have my glasses. Give it back to Mommy. Ben, you gotta come out now. Hey, Ben, that's not nice. Say sorry, baby.
Sorry, baby.
Don't throw a ball at baby.
Mom.
Okay.